Uboco wa aikari aingĩ a matura ma Nyatike, kaunti ya Migori, umaga kuri ugethi wa muthanga, mihang'o ĩrĩa arĩa marutaga wĩra wa kugetha marauga nĩ ĩingĩrĩirwo nĩ aigithia kuma bũrũri wa China.
Wananchi wa hapa tunafanya kazi ya mchanga. Wananchi wa hapa karibu 3,000, hatuwezi kubali watu wa China wakuje kuharibia sisi kazi.
How are they working? Are they working under the consent of the MP or the DC or the county government?
Kuratuika aigithia aya marahuthira macini ici kugetha muthanga gicigo-ini giki, undu uria uramacungirira kwaga mieke ya mawira.
Hatuwezi tukafanya kazi kwa sababu watu wa China wamekuja, wana load, wanatoa shimoni.
We can't accept the Chinese people to come to our country and to spoil for us whatever we have been doing all along.
Riu marenda thirikari ĩingĩrĩre na gutuithania thĩna ũyũ uria maugite ni uramacungirira ona kwaga uboco wa o muthenya.
Tunaomba serikali ya county na mbunge wetu, mbunge wetu wamejaribu sana, lakini DC na wengine wamekataa kucooperate. So kindly we are asking them, let them cooperate so that our minerals cannot be exploited.
We want the government of Kenya to take the immediate action because this is what has been feeding us all along.
Marauga ugethi wa muthanga ukihuthira macini ici ni uracungirira ona uthukagia wa riera gicigo-ini giki. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigĩ wa Nyamu.